Be the smart one. You don't have to invest in all these huge sums. Let them invest, you tap in, collect your share without ever investing, and duplicate. Believe me, you're the smart one. Just copy and paste. Cryptocurrencies are booming today like never before. Today, I will show you how to earn as much as you wish with cryptocurrencies without ever having to invest in cryptocurrencies with a very simple copy and paste method. This is not a get rich fast scheme, but when applied over and over again will lead to results. Learning this method is fast and effective, but you will have to exercise some patience and put in the hard work repeatedly. So I've got this awesome question for you. If you had a lot of money, what are the beautiful things you're gonna do with it? My reason for asking is that you're probably watching this video because you want to make tons and tons of money. Easy and fast. You probably want to buy a new car, buy a new house, travel and see the world, eat exotic food, buy a new girlfriend or boyfriend, pay off your credit card bills, get the best insurance in the world, or probably you want to invest and make more money. Then you should keep watching this video and let's get closer to your goals right now. Short note, for all you out there asking what is cryptocurrency and how does it work, let me explain. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. So let me show you how you can earn with cryptocurrency without ever having to invest in cryptocurrency at all. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification, like this video as well, so you'll be amongst the first to get to know when new videos come up. Alright, so enough of the information. Let's get to business. But before we do, let me introduce myself. My name is Pete. I own a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is making and earning money online. And today, I'm going to show you how to earn money online. So before we get started, this is an action video. I want us to do this together, and that is step by step. Put all distractions aside and concentrate on this video. Open a separate browser, a notepad, and do this with me. To maximize your results, this video has to be your companion for the next few days. Come back, watch over and over again, and implement whilst doing so. So I want you to type in cex.io in your browser. It says CEX is a trusted and secure Bitcoin exchange place. And it also says CEX is your guide to the world open financial system. Get started with the easiest and most secure platform to buy and trade cryptocurrencies. Alright, so now we're not going to go buy and trade cryptocurrencies. You're going to go the smart way. What we're going to do is just copy and paste. With that method, you can start earning money as well. Let others invest and you make the money. So CEX is a trusted company. Look at all the platforms they've been featured on. CEX have been in business since 2013 with over 4 million registered users, with no customer funds lost till today, and 99% of countries in the world are supported. So it means you can start making money from the comfort of your home, no matter where you live. It could be in South Korea, it could be in China, it could be in Zambia, Timbuktu, who knows? You can start making money right here and right now. CEX makes it easy for investors to buy and trade with cryptocurrency. With just a simple debit or credit card, investors can start trading with cryptocurrency, hence making it easy for you to earn from all over the world. So I want you to head over to affiliate program right here on top, or just search the page for affiliate program, and here we go, counting. Alright, so it's over $2 million paid to their affiliate partners already. All you need to do is join, promote, and start earning up to 30% of all fees paid for qualified trades and purchases. Alright, so easily said. All you need to do is to refer someone to this program and you can start cashing as soon as the person starts making a purchase. But believe me, you don't have to go to anyone and ask if they want to, buy cryptocurrency. No. I'll show you exactly how this works, and it's goddamn easy. Alright, so why join the CEX affiliate program? Easy. They have unlimited earning opportunities, high commission as already said, 30%. They have affiliate friendly cookies, of about 30 days, meaning, whatever machine your referrer uses, the cookie stays on it for 30 days. Simple. Doesn't matter if it's a laptop, desktop, iPad, or whatever it is, or mobile phone, it all stays on the machine for 30 days. If the person purchases on the 30th day, you still get paid. Awesome promotional materials, and you get your own dedicated manager. Alright, so someone to take very good care of you. And registering is easy. All you need to do is press become an affiliate, put in your email address, the password, your country, and say yes, I accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and you're good to go. You're in business. Alright, so after registration, you're gonna get a confirmation email, and after confirming, you just come back and sign in. Alright, put in your email address and your password, sign in, and after signing in, just grab your link, that is your referral link or your affiliate link, and now we're going to go shorten your link. Alright, and then after that, you can start working with your link. Alright, so now let's go shorten your long referral link or affiliate link so we can easily make money with it. So head over to link.link711.com. Now to get started, just hit the get started button, and you'll have to create a free account. It's for free. So you put in your username right here, put in your email address, confirm your passwords. Just make sure you write your password down somewhere, then say you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and create an account. Alright, so I've already created an account. Let's log into the back end. Alright, so there's the back end, and you can place your long link in here, and then you just press shorten, and it will have a shortened link. Awesome. So now in our next step, I want you to go to Google and type in Reddit cryptocurrency forum. Alright, when you've done that, just go to Reddit, and you realize, there's a cryptocurrency news and discussion. Lots of people come in here and post information, recent updates on cryptocurrencies. Alright, so you can just scroll through, and you see these are all topics that people are talking about. We have 419. You see the amounts in here. Yeah, lots of topics in here. People post videos, people post advertisements, and this is all information on cryptocurrency. What you can do now is get into these forums, start discussions, and you could also post like images as well and videos as well. Just a simple video created on Canva for free, and this is your referral link, for example. It's short, so you can just take this away. Alright, so this now your short link, easy and precise. So you can go 4pm.me/sdu, and you can paste it right here and just write a short text, whatever. You just go on the web page and grab, I'm sure they've given you information. So use your promo materials that you have in connection with articles that you might find online, be it on Reddit or Quora, and you can combine it with your affiliate link, that's your shortened link, and you can just start throwing the information out, right? Either in video format, JPEG, or as a PDF, but it could be an image that you could post on these platforms. And yeah, you might have just your simple referral link right here. It's so easy to memorize. Either you place your link in here, and if it's not allowed, you can just paste it on a whiteboard like this, and take a screenshot, so it'll be an image that you can post in different forums. Alright, as time goes on, you might probably start earning affiliate commissions. Alright, so let's see right here. Just go into one and see. Alright, so this is a forum right here, and yeah, you can read the post and add comments. You need to sign in. You have to be registered to actually be able to put in posts like this. Alright, so let's take a look at a few comments. So there we go, lots of comments in here, so you can post images here as well. Let's see if other people have shared their link. Yeah, a few links in there. Alright, so enjoy, and good luck and happy earning.